Luverne Grip Step wheel-to-wheel running boards equip your pickup truck for whatever job lies ahead. They offer easier truck bed access, fleet-level safety, rust-free construction, and a custom fit for your truck and lifestyle. Grip Step wheel-to-wheel steps are the ideal solution for better truck bed access. Whether you need to reach a truck toolbox, a ladder rack, or some cargo, the wheel-to-wheel steps are extra long, providing convenient setup for reaching into your truck bed. Grip Step running boards are also built for hard work, featuring expanded metal treads that offer fleet-approved safety. The open treads ensure maximum traction for your boots, whether rain or shine, and they also help keep your truck's interior clean by allowing dirt, snow, and debris to pass through the boards. For superior resistance to the elements, Grip Step boards are made from aluminum alloy. They're strong, lightweight, and highly corrosion resistant. To maximize this corrosion resistance, the running boards and brackets are both shielded in a durable black powder coat finish. The running boards also feature hardened plastic end caps that eliminate sharp corners and add that professional touch. All Luverne Grip Step wheel-to-wheel steps are designed for vehicle-specific applications. This ensures a custom fit and the easiest possible installation. The running boards mount with vehicle-specific brackets and use pre-existing mounting points to avoid difficult modifications. If you're interested in the Luverne Grip Step wheel-to-wheel running boards, please check out the dealer locator in the description below. As always, thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time with Keys to Ride.